warranty repair works in Odoo Track. So let's select the product. Now we have to enable the warranty repair. For that, click on warranty tab in product form. Now you have to enable the warranty eligible. Click on it. You have to set the warranty period. After that, you have to save. Now we'll create a sale order. For that, click on quotations. Now create a quotation. Select the customer. Now add the product. After that, confirm the order. Here we can see a option to add the warranty. Click on it. We'll get a new tab now. Here we can see sale order number, customer name, what product is, and the purchase date, warranty end date, and the warranty in months. After that, click on the add warranty button. Here we can see new tab, that is new button is created, that is warranty. Click on it. Now here you can directly click on repair button. Here you can see the details. Now we are going to confirm the repair. Click on confirm repair button. You can see the status. Now the status is confirmed. Now if you start the repair option, it will go to repaired status, or if you cancel, then cancel the repair. Now we are going to start repair. Now it's the status is under repair. Repair process working. Now after end repair, the complete process will happen. We will click on end repair button. Here we can see the status is changed to repair. Now we'll go to repair module and check. Desk stand with screen is a product. Now its status is repaired. This is how warranty repair works in Odoo.
Get more details and support.